What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to another episode. Today, as you guys can tell from the title, we're doing an install on the Lexus. So I haven't done an install for a little bit. I mean, aside from, you know, the wheel install, I mean, I guess that could be considered an install. I'm not too sure about that though. But anyways, we're gonna be doing some suspension work, you guys. Lower control arm bushings. We got these nice quality metal ones from Rrracing. These are pretty dope. It's actually kind of crazy how I came about them. Somebody was selling them on the Facebook marketplace, and when we met up and we were talking, it seemed somewhat familiar, dude. And then when I left and we made the exchange, he texted me saying, dude, I remember where you're from, and we actually met at one of the SoCal Lexus meets. And I was like, oh, I knew it. Like that, you know, from what we were talking about, I kind of, you know, seemed familiar. But that was really cool, man, because it was like we got to meet each other again, you know. So that was kind of cool, you guys. I love stuff like that. But yeah, so came with some lube, and these came off his ISF. He wanted to get some fixed because he said that they came out with something that was gonna help him with an issue he had on his ISF. So you know, kind of came up on these. Shout out to you, man. So we already got it on jack stands. I'm over here with Timmy. He's on the phone. But we already got it on jack stands. I'm gonna take off these wheels because I think it'll make it easier. But let's see where it's at. Okay, so this is basically what we're going to be changing out. As you guys can see right here, it's a little rubber right here. So probably to get things out of the way, I'm gonna go ahead and take this off right here, and then probably work my way into these brackets right here. But it should be fairly easy. I kind of have enough room with the stands. It'd be better on the lift, but we don't got that right now, so we're gonna work with what we got. This fool Timmy's impatient. I was supposed to do the work so I could get the credit for working on my car, and now people are gonna be like, hey, Dustin doesn't work on his own car, Timmy's always working on his car. And even if there's like a lot of truth in that, like I wanted to relish in like some of these moments, you know what I mean?
I'm just helping.
Oh, I see. He's just helping, but I feel like he just gets impatient with me when I don't do things like, you know, the right way, like automatically.
I'm just starting a process for you.
Yeah, all right. I was.
No, we gotta hurry up so we can pick up.
Oh, damn, you're right. Oh, they're not supposed to know that yet.
Oh shit.
They're not supposed to know that yet.
Oh shit. At 3:30 we leave it.
Anyways, you guys aren't supposed to know that yet, but I do have a surprise. I got another part for the car that I'm super excited for. I've been wanting it for a while. We're gonna try to go pick it up after we do this. You guys weren't supposed to know that, but I'm telling you right now, so shh. Oh, damn, what the hell was that, bro?
What, dirt?
Is that dirt?
Grease?
That's grease? Jesus, Lord have mercy. I was tripping. I was like, yo, we got a major whoa, this is nasty. This is real nasty. Alright, y'all, this is what the ugly old one looks like. Look at this nasty ugliness. So Timmy advised to lube it before.
Is this used?
Yes.
You bought it used?
I did. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
But I mean, they're still pretty new. But yeah, Timmy advised us to, you know, lube it up before and after in these important areas. But as you guys can see, the difference. A little bit? Yeah. Yeah, way better.
Yeah.
The one she told you not to worry about? Alright, back to it. Alright guys, so finally got them both on there. I wasn't able to record the rest of it of us throwing it on because it was about to die. And we're pressed for time because we need to go meet up somebody to borrow their truck. So we're gonna drive it right now. I'm gonna jack it down and we'll just see how it feels. And crash. There you go. Alright, y'all, so we're testing it out right now. I already took one turn and I'm not gonna lie, it doesn't really seem like too much of a difference. But you know, I'm not in the canyons yet right now. I haven't really taken any like aggressive turns yet. So I guess I can't really just base it off of that. I thought I would have felt like a little bit more like tightness on the steering. But I don't really feel it.
Is your exhaust loose?
Oh yeah. Okay. We gotta talk about that. Stop sign guy. Let's do one of these. Damn. So can these be considered like working hands now, bro?
Yeah, you worked on your car.
Alright.
You did it.
You know what I mean? Anyways, I wanted to kind of give you guys a little update, like review on these bushings. So far, I really haven't felt too much of a difference. Like I said, I'm not like driving in like any like curved canyons or anything like that yet. So I don't know, maybe if I like, you know, drive like for like a cool little minute, I might start to feel somewhat of a difference. But currently, I don't really feel too much. I mean, maybe like a slight bit smoother. But other than that, I thought I was gonna get like stiffer. So maybe I need to add a little bit more to the suspension to kind of get the feel that I'm like I have in my head that I want to feel. Yeah, that's kind of my review. But I could be wrong. I could just not realize what's actually like happening to the car. Like it's actually working, but I don't have enough feel to like really understand like, oh, actually it does feel different, you know what I mean? So I thought I might be able to feel it right away on like a turn or a curve, but yeah, I haven't really done anything aggressive yet to like feel like a major like difference. So yeah, but I will say that, you know, looking at the old ones and the new ones, I do feel a lot better having these ones on there, you know, mentally. Hopefully I get to break them in the right way. All right, you guys, that's all I got for this episode. We got the LCA changed out, so I feel really good about the car's, you know, longevity, you guys. So, you know, just a little bit of stuff I wanted to maintenance here and there, and then that install. So I hope you guys really like this. I know it's been a while since I kind of added something like install like rather than the wheels. I feel like the wheels isn't much of an install. But anyways, comment down below, you guys, what you guys think about the LCAs, if you guys think they actually make a difference or not. Let me know what you guys think of them, if you guys have them yourselves. And if this is you guys' first time to the channel, please be sure to like and subscribe if you guys like what you see. It truly helps me out a lot, you guys. Just remember, it's all about longevity, you guys. Make sure you live long and prosper, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Later.